Went up with a guy that many of you know, Hubie Tolson, the great stunt pilot from New Bern, a fellow who is all over eastern North Carolina. Now, they shot some great video from the sky, unfortunately, of the hurricane destruction after Hurricane Matthew's floods a couple of years ago. But Hubie, again, put on a terrific show here at the air show this year.
All systems seem to be good.
And right here from your backyard,
we've got fuel.
Hubie Tolson, Trent, GMC Sukhoi Su-31.
I'm ready to go flying.
Hubie is about to begin his performance of aggressive aerobatics in this wonderful Russian-built airplane. Ladies and gentlemen, and there's a welcoming maneuver if I've seen one. Hubie Tolson, aerobatic pilot from New Bern, North Carolina, who's been flying since the age of 16.
I taught myself aerobatics a year or so later after getting my license out of a book, and was really lucky to have gotten through that and able to be here to talk to you today because it was really stupid. You know what the airplane's going to do all the time. It becomes kind of an extension of your arm. You learn exactly what it will do and when it will do it and how it will do it, and you don't even have to think about it. It's like riding a bike.
And he's buckled in even tighter now to turn up the ratchets.
This airplane is unique in that the limits are only your imagination. If you want to go bang, to see what it'll do, you can, and it will take it, it will do it, and it stays together.
Looks like you're having a good time up there, my friend.
It's a beautiful day. We're so grateful to be at MCAS Point 2018, and honored for the invitation. We're taking a minute to climb and cool the oil now, and after a little altitude, we're going to show some of the Trent GMC Sukhoi tumble. Trent GMC, my first job, the first place I worked. So kind to the military. We appreciate their sponsorship.
And that is Hubie live from the cockpit as he gets the altitude he needs for a second series now of even more aggressive aerobatics, the tumbling, where the airplane is actually going to flip end over end.
All right, here we come. Russian tumble.
Changes direction now and continues to roll that airplane, always in control.
It's really a neat feeling to be able to enjoy a machine like this, because it's truly remarkable.
Round and round he goes. Getting ready for that final breathtaking maneuver.
I do a figure that no one else in the world does, and it involves pulling the airplane in the vertical and turning the motor off.
Killing the magnetos, the engine is stopped. He's going to push through now, inverted without power. He's going to fight to keep that airplane flying. If it stalls, it stops flying, it falls. It's falling with style, but it could fall. So he's right on the edge. He's dancing with it, making sure. And again, inverted while he does it. Nobody else does this, ladies and gentlemen. And he restarts the engine now. Hubie Tolson, ladies and gentlemen.